We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on the top and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power brakes, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.